Yan, ang talagang hindi niya binitawan.
Umiyak pa nang kinuha na ng...
Umiyak nung kinuha ng cashier. Alam na niyang technique namin, iniiwan ang kanyang mga pinupulot. You put it down. Why like that your smile? Ang pangit. Oh, nahulog na. Oh. Put closer to you kasi.
You put it there.
You show the face.
Then you put you put your hands like that. And there, like that only. Like that. Like that only. Like that only.
You like that car? Ha? You like that car?
Yes.
Soli na natin. Ang pangit naman.
Sorry na daw. Sorry na daw ni Mami.
We'll return to San Fernando. Ang pangit naman.
Oh, Mami will return your car.
You like?
Mami want to return your car? Hala.
Mommy! It's like that chicken might fall down.
Kembot. The car is making kembot.